na yung pagiging mabuti at sweet mo, hindi lang sa mami daddy mo, maging sa amin, ay maging tuloy-tuloy. Lumaki kang may takot sa Lord at lumaki ka na laging inuuna yung mami at daddy mo sa buhay mo.
Moving left, moving right, keep it up, it's alright. You can try to catch me, but we're about to go. Super duper, supersonic. Super duper, supersonic. Super duper, supersonic.
Birthday anak, enjoy. Happy birthday, Dion. I'm very thankful kasi naging ninang mo ako. And lumaki ka sanang pogi. Yeah.
There we go.
Super duper, supersonic. Super duper, supersonic. Super duper.
Always be kind and lagi makikinig sa parents niya. Happy birthday!
I wish you the best. Don't rush growing up. Just enjoy ang pagiging bata. Yeah, all the best. Happy birthday.
And wishes for us to make it through the
As you turn 7, remember to always be kind, be brave, and never stop being curious. Listen to your parents, share your smiles, and enjoy every little adventure.
I will guide you home. All this time you thought we'd never pay the price. In the game of love, you have to roll the dice. My heart got 7 years to life.
Birthday, aral mabuti.
Happy birthday, Dion.
Happy birthday, Dion. I wish you more birthdays to come and mag-aral mabuti.
Sana makapuntas ka ng pag-aaral mo and good health.
Heal all our wounds and our sorrows too.
Happy birthday, Dion. After 7 years, nakita na din kita. Nakita mo. So my wish for you is happy birthday and may you always have warm family and friends in your life.
Before this night is over, I will guide
Yun, nung dumating si Dion sa buhay namin, mas naging deeper yung pananaw namin sa buhay.
In the game of love, you have to roll.
Lumalaki ka na makukuha mo lahat ng gusto mo, no? You have a good life. So, ang advice ko sa'yo panatilihin mo yon, no? Sana hanggang pagtanda mo, maganda ang iyong buhay. Mangyayari lang yon kung ikaw ay magiging mabait at saka mag-aaral. Kasi ano man ang mangyari sa'yo, mananakawan ka man, bakain ka man, still kung ikaw ay educated, no, hindi makukuha yun na kahit na sino. At yun ang magagamit mo, weapon mo yun, no? Para lalong pagandahin pa yung buhay na ibinigay sa iyo ng mga magulang, no? So, ayun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Nung una ko siyang makarga, nung isinilang siya, ako pinakaunang humawak sa kanya. Sabi ko, iba talaga pakiramdam, isa ng ama. Ang kaya kong gawin is i-guide lang siya, bigyan siya ng tamang pundasyon sa buhay.